More and more people are interested in following vegetarian or vegan diets or reducing their use of animal products. A shift away from animal products is getting easier with more fortified and nutritious plant-based foods available. A person may try a vegan diet for health, animal welfare, or religious reasons. In 2016 trusted source, the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics stated that a vegetarian or vegan diet could provide all the nutritional requirements of adults, children, and those who were pregnant or breastfeeding. Even so, getting enough protein and essential vitamins and minerals can be harder for people who do not eat meat or animal products. A person must plan ahead to ensure they get enough protein, calcium, iron, and vitamin B12, which people on an omnivorous diet get from animal products. Read on for a list of some of the best plant-based foods for protein. We also discuss the differences between animal and plant proteins, and whether plant-based protein powders can be good sources of protein. The right plant-based foods can be excellent sources of protein and other nutrients, often with fewer calories than animal products. Some plant products, such as soybeans and quinoa, are complete proteins, which means that they contain all 9 essential amino acids that humans need. Others are missing some of these amino acids, so eating a varied diet is important. The following healthful, plant-based foods have a high protein content per serving. Soy products such as tofu, tempeh, and edamame are among the richest sources of protein in a vegan diet. Soy products are among the richest sources of protein in a plant-based diet. The protein content varies with how the soy is prepared. Firm tofu soybean curds contains about 10 grams of protein per 1/2 cup. Edamame beans immature soybeans contain 8.5 grams of protein per 1/2 cup. Tempeh contains about 15 grams of protein per 1/2 cup. Peanuts are protein-rich, full of healthful fats, and may improve heart health. They contain around 20.5 grams of protein per 1/2 cup. Peanut butter is also rich in protein, with 3.6 grams per tablespoon, making peanut butter sandwiches a healthful complete protein snack. Cooked chickpeas are high in protein, containing around 7.25 grams per 1/2 cup. Chickpeas can be eaten hot or cold, and are highly versatile with plenty of recipes available online. They can, for example, be added to stews and curries, or spiced with paprika and roasted in the oven. A person can add hummus, which is made from chickpea paste, to a sandwich for a healthful, protein-rich alternative to butter. Red or green lentils contain plenty of protein, fiber, and key nutrients, including iron and potassium. Cooked lentils contain 8.84 grams of protein per 1/2 cup. Lentils are a great source of protein to add to a lunch or dinner routine. They can be added to stews, curries, salads, or rice to give an extra portion of protein. Seeds are low-calorie foods that are rich in fiber and heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds are a complete source of protein that contain 2 grams of protein per tablespoon. Try adding chia seeds to a smoothie, sprinkling them on top of a plant-based yogurt, or soaking them in water or almond milk to make a pudding. Separately, rice and beans are incomplete protein sources. Eaten together, this classic meal can provide 7 grams of protein per cup. Try rice and beans as a side dish, or mix rice, beans, and hummus together, then spread on Ezekiel bread, which is made from sprouted grains, for a savory, protein-packed meal. A large baked potato offers 8 grams of protein per serving. Potatoes are also high in other nutrients, such as potassium and vitamin C. Add 2 tablespoons of hummus for a flavorful snack that is healthier than butter-covered potatoes and increases the protein content. 2 tablespoons of hummus contain about 3 grams of protein. Almonds offer 16.5 grams of protein per 1/2 cup. They also provide a good amount of vitamin E, which is great for the skin and eyes. Spirulina is blue or green algae that contain around 8 grams of protein per 2 tablespoons. It is also rich in nutrients, such as iron, B vitamins, although not vitamin B12, and manganese. Spirulina is available online, as a powder or a supplement. It can be added to water, smoothies, or fruit juice. A person can also sprinkle it over salad or snacks to increase their protein content. Quinoa is a grain with a high protein content, and is a complete protein. Cooked quinoa contains 8 grams of protein per cup. This grain is also rich in other nutrients, including magnesium, iron, fiber, and manganese. It is also highly versatile. Quinoa can fill in for pasta in soups and stews. It can be sprinkled on a salad or eaten as the main course. Many dark-colored, leafy greens and vegetables contain protein. Eaten alone, these foods are not enough to meet daily protein requirements, but a few vegetable snacks can increase protein intake, particularly when combined with other protein-rich foods. A single, medium stalk of broccoli contains about 4 grams of protein. Kale offers 2 grams of protein per cup. 5 medium mushrooms offer 3 grams of protein. Try a salad made from baby greens with some quinoa sprinkled on top for a protein-rich meal. Seitan is a complete protein made from mixing wheat gluten with various spices. The high wheat content means that it should be avoided by people with celiac or non-celiac gluten sensitivity. For others, it can be a protein-rich healthful meat substitute. When cooked in soy sauce, which is rich in the amino acid lysine, seitan becomes a complete protein source offering 21 grams per 1/3 cup. Going vegan or vegetarian requires some planning. With the right protein-based plant food, however, people who avoid animal products can eat balanced diets that support a healthy body and reduce the risks of some diseases. It is important to discuss dietary portions with a doctor or nutritionist, since vegan or vegetarian diets may lack some vital nutrients, necessitating the use of dietary supplements or learning how to include certain foods that are high in these nutrients.